How plants make their own food. What if I told you there's a living thing on Earth that creates its own food, from sunlight, air, and water? No grocery stores, no kitchens, just pure science. It sounds like magic, but it's real. And it happens inside every green leaf, every second of every day. This is photosynthesis, the process that powers nearly all life on Earth. Today, we're diving into how plants turn sunlight into food and why you owe your next meal to a leaf. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis comes from two Greek words, photo meaning light, and synthesis meaning to put together. So it literally means putting together using light. Plants use energy from the sun to take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil, and turn them into glucose, a type of sugar, which is their food. And as a bonus, they release oxygen, the very air we breathe. The ingredients. So, what do plants need to make this happen? Just three things. 1. Sunlight, the energy source. Without light, the process stops. 2. Carbon dioxide, CO2, comes from the air. Plants absorb it through tiny pores in their leaves called stomata. 3. Water, H2O, absorbed by roots from the soil and sent up to the leaves. Now, where does the magic happen? Inside a tiny part of the leaf cell called the chloroplast and chlorophyll. Chloroplasts are like solar-powered kitchens, and inside them is a green pigment called chlorophyll, the reason plants are green. Chlorophyll's job? To capture sunlight, kind of like a solar panel. When sunlight hits it, the energy gets used to power a chemical reaction. Think of it like a factory. Sunlight powers the machines, CO2 and water are the raw materials, and the end products are glucose, food, and oxygen. The chemical reaction. Here's the science behind it. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. The basic chemical equation for photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 6 H2O plus sunlight, C6H12O6 plus 6O2, carbon dioxide plus water plus light, glucose plus oxygen. In plain English, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 of water, powered by sunlight, turn into 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. That glucose? It's stored in the plant as energy for growth, making fruits, seeds, and even the wood in trees. Why it matters. Photosynthesis isn't just about plants feeding themselves. It's the foundation of life on Earth. Every bite of food you eat, whether it's an apple, a steak, or a loaf of bread, traces back to photosynthesis. Even meat. The cow ate grass. The grass used sunlight to grow. And that oxygen we breathe, over half of it comes from tiny ocean plants called phytoplankton, doing photosynthesis in the sea. Without photosynthesis, life as we know it would vanish. Fun facts. A single leaf can perform photosynthesis thousands of times per second. The Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of Earth's oxygen. Cacti do photosynthesis too, but only at night to save water. If all plants stopped photosynthesizing, oxygen would run out in about 5,000 years. So next time you see a tree, a flower, or even a blade of grass, remember, it's not just sitting there. It's a quiet, green powerhouse, turning sunlight into life. Photosynthesis, the most important chemical reaction on the planet. If you found this fascinating, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we're just getting started. Next week, how do trees talk to each other? Yes, really? Stay curious. See you in the next video.